Here at BPU, we believe in the power of community, and delivering the water is essential to us all. We have a shared responsibility. BPU is committed to delivering safe, clean, and reliable water. As a valued customer, you also have a role to play. With that in mind, it's good to know what we're responsible for and what you're responsible for. We're responsible for everything from the meter box or curb to the road. You're responsible for everything on the other side of the meter box or curb. BPU, you. And you should always know where your water shutoff valve is in case of an emergency. And if you need repairs, have your licensed Wyandotte County plumber call 913-573-9843 for the required permit involving leaks and repairs. If you see a leak outside your home or have an outage, give us a call at 913-573-9622. The UG Public Works maintains storm drains and public sewer lines. By maintaining your water line and promptly contacting BPU about service issues, you can ensure water is safely and consistently delivered to your home. BPU, the power of community.